Welcome to the Black Money Minute. I'm Dr. Boyce Watkins.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Black Financial Channel. My name is Dr. Boyce Watkins, and I wanted to share some economic news that you want to know about. Amazon just announced that they are doing a hiring freeze. That means that they're not going to hire anybody new. Well, at least at the corporate office. At the corporate level, they have frozen all hiring. Why is this important? Well, it's important because this is part of a trend and a pattern, because companies like Amazon let you know where the global economy is going. The United Nations has already warned that we are at risk of a global economic recession. And so this is just more evidence to add to the pile that's already out there. Companies like Facebook and others and Google are also doing similar hiring freezes. Now, Amazon isn't completely shutting the doors. They're still hiring people in the factories. They're still hiring drivers, things like that. And Amazon's still a great company. It's still going to be profitable. But you want to pay attention to these things because it says a couple of things. Number one, it says that we are probably headed toward a little bit of a recession. But then number two, more importantly, it speaks to whether or not the Federal Reserve is going to remain committed to increasing interest rates, which has been slowing the economy down, bringing your stock prices down, etc. So sometimes bad news can actually be good news if people think that the slowing economy will cause the Fed to slow down as well. So just keep your eyes open. Let's keep following what's happening. I'll keep you guys posted. By the way, if you want to learn how to make money in this market, it's really difficult, but I work with my students on this every single day. Feel free to visit us at drboyceprime.com. Take care. Peace.